Hi everyone, welcome to Guerra Elementary, home of the Mighty Eagles, where every day we soar to new heights. My name is Lillian Villarreal and I am the principal to a wonderful community. I am excited to invite you to join us today here at Guerra Elementary to see why we are the best fit for your family. We can't wait to show you everything that we have to offer.
Hi, my name is Arlette Briseño.
And I'm Giovanni De Leon.
And we're both 5th graders at Guerra Elementary.
We can't wait to show you some of the things we have to offer. One of the greatest things about our school is our spirit. I love Guerra Elementary because of all the extracurricular activities that are available after school. Guerra Elementary has a superior choir team, a theater club that puts on the best shows, and our newest club is Guerra News, where students will provide us with weekly buzz and shout-outs of all the great things happening here at Guerra.
Let me tell you about our university initiative. Guerra Elementary connects us to universities by bringing us opportunities to network with our Texas universities. This helps us think about where we want to go after we graduate. Even our Pre-K 3 and Pre-K 4 students represent a university. We are actually one of the few elementaries here in PSGA that offer a full-day Pre-K 3 and Pre-K 4 program in the city of Alamo. Our Little Eagles are provided with rich learning and opportunities to build those social skills.
Our student-centered excellence approaches defines Guerra. Our expert teachers guide students through fun, engaging, hands-on learning experiences that are centered on us students to ensure we receive the best learning experience.
That does it for our tour.
Thank you for joining us.
We hope to see you soon at Guerra Elementary.
Bye.
Bye.